According to customer requirements, a bottle and scrambler is added to the head and end of the machine, which can save time and improve work efficiency. After the bottle and scrambler arranges the glass bottles in the main order, the glass bottles will enter the inside of the equipment, and then high-pressure spray cleaning will be performed on all sides. Now is the cleaning stage divided into sewage cleaning and clean water cleaning. The cleaning procedures can better achieve the cleaning effect. After the cleaning is completed, it enters the drying stage and follows the lens to the tail of the equipment. Here, according to customer requirements, a bottle flipper and a bottle sorting machine have been added, effectively saving labor costs. The above is the complete process of the machine. What is now presented is the effect of cleaning and drying the glass bottle.